Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will start assignment 1 in Java. Here first question is a print in reverse order question we are starting. Now, first of all we have to read the question properly. You are given two strings as input. Write a program to print the given two strings in reverse order separated by this. The first and second line of inputs are strings. Okay. If the sample output is apple banana, so now we have to print this in reverse order, like banana comes first and apple next. Beside them, three hyphens are given. Okay. First of all, we have to import java.util.star package to scan the input. First scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. Oh shit. New scanner system.in. Sorry. Then a string strn string w1, it's like word1 equal to sc dot next line function, then string w2 equal to sc dot next line of function. So that with the help of these two strings we can read the given two inputs. Now we have to print like a second string into first place. So system.out.println w2 will be the first string, then these symbols. Okay, so stm system.out.println of symbols 2 3, then the first word stm system.out.println of w1. Let's check the output. Oh shit, interface 14 natural class interface enum expected. Okay, let's check it first. Yes, we got the desired output. Now let's submit the code. All test cases are passed. Let's move on to the next question. Hello guys, let's get into the assignment 1 first letter program. You are given three strings as an input. Write the program to print the first characters of each string. So that three strings will be given, we have to print the first characters of strings, like first character is A, first character is B, first character is C. Three characters into same line. So that we have to import the scanner class from java.util.star package. Then write scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. Oh shit man, string.in, then string, we can take word 1 as a w1 equal to sc dot next line function, and like we'll copy this and paste it. So Java is not alignment sensitive. We have to write w2 and w3 so that we can scan the input of 3 words. Now I have to print the characters, first characters, so that system dot out dot print, we have to use print function only but not print ln. Here we can see at the ending of the program, print of to print the first character we can use the character function, like the syntax of character function is name dot char at index. Okay, so that we have to write the first name, like w1 is the name dot char at, a should be capital, index should be 0 because the first word we only need first letter only. Okay, now we have to copy this and paste it here and paste it here. Let's align the code. We have to write word 2, word 3. So let's print the program. Here we got the ABC in the same line. If you put print ln here and here, the output will be different. Like the ABC will be printed as like rows, separate rows, so that we are if we remove the ln word here, ln, then it will be printed as the same line without any spaces. That's what we want to be desired output. So we will submit the code. Hello guys, today we will solve the coding question that is half string. Let's get into it. Here the question given is write a program that prints the second half of the given input string. You can assume that the length of the input string will always be a even number. So here we have to understand that the length of the string will be even number, so it will be an added advantage for us, because an even number can be divided into 2 parts easily by dividing the length of the string by 2. But whereas in if it is odd length, then we have to be a bit cautious, because it is little bit difficult than converting it as length of the string of even number. So we'll have to, first of all we have to import the scanner class, that all we know, import java dot util dot star. Okay, then we have to write the code here. We have to scan the input first, scanner c equal to string.in. Then we have to take the input of string value, so we are writing the string type variable. Let's take w as a string variable name, then have to scan the input sc dot next line function. Now we took the string. Now we have to calculate the length of the string, so that length of the string always be an integer value, so that we will take integer variable integer len gth length equal to, the syntax of finding the length is name dot name. Here we given the name as w dot length of function to get the length of the string. Now we got the length of the string. Now we have to check whether the length of the string is working successfully or not, so that we have to print it once. System dot out dot print len length. Let's check it once. Run the code. Yes, here the length is giving the length output successfully, then we have to divide. Okay, now we have to take the second part of the string, so that we have to print second part of the string. The type is string only, strn string. We have to take the new part, second part. This is second part equal to, how can we get the second part? Like, we will use the substring method, so that we can get the second part. Substring syntax is name. What is the name of the string? W dot substring of from where to where the start index will be length of index by 2. So len gth length by 2 comma from and end index will be the length of the string, so that len length of the string. Okay, let's print the value, that is second half or second part. Let's run the code. Yes, here we got the desired output, that is the second part of the string, and this is the code for that, and we will submit the code. Yes, all test cases are passed. Then we will go to the next question. We will go to first and last digit of the digits code. Here let's read the question. Given a 4-digit number n as an input, write a program to print first and last digit of the numbers. Okay, the input is a 4-digit number. Okay, 1 4 5 6. Then we have to print 1 and 6, as it is first and last digits of the number. So first of all we have to scan the class, so that we have to import the java.util file. Then we have to write the code here. Scanner sc equal to names scanner of now we have to take an integer input, so that int of int num is equal to sc dot next int of. Okay, now let's think how we can get this starting and ending index. Ending index we will get like if the given input is divided by 10, we will get end index. Okay, and we'll take end int and digit equal to num percentile 10. Let's check once. Dot out dot print ln, that is end index, and hyphen end digit. Yes, we are getting the end digit 6. Now what we have to get is start index. For getting this starting index, we have to convert the given number as a string. So that we will convert that into string, so that string string s equal to, the syntax of converting the integer to string is like string dot value of, in of O should be capital, of num name, so that it is converted into string. Now we have to take the character of first character only, so that we are taking char first digit equal to name. What is the name of the string? Yes, dot char at, the index should be 0 because it is first one. Okay, now we have to check it once. System dot out dot print ln of first digit first underscore digit, to check if we are going correct or wrong. Yes, we are getting the first digit. Now we got the first and last end digits, so we can print it in the first digit. Then we have to print the second last. System dot out dot print ln of and end. Take this, copy and paste it here. Okay, give it a semicolon and check. Boom, got the program successful, and we'll submit the code. Now we got all test cases passed. Let's move on to the next question. Now let's solve the program area and perimeter of a square. Yes, let's reset the code first. Yes. First of all, we have to read the question first and understand the program. You are given a side of a square as an input. Write a program to find the perimeter and area of the square. So, as you know, the perimeter and area of the squares are like a area of the square is nothing but side into side, and the perimeter of the square is equal to all four sides u2. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we have to take the input from the user.
So that we have to import the scanner class, import java dot util dot star order scanner we can put, then class name string. We have to write the code here. First of all, we have imported the scanner class, so we have to submit the argument scanner is equal to scanner and we have to take a variable. I'm taking a variable as a integer side. First we have to know side of the square, so that we are writing a side to scan sc dot next int of function. Then we have to calculate area, so area's result will be an integer, so that we are taking as int as a data type int area equal to, what is the formula for area? They are already given. Area of the square is side into side, so we can write side star side. Here star character will be that form multiplication function, so that we write that. Then we have to do perimeter, so perimeter also an integer data type will be int perimeter equal to, what is the perimeter of the square formula? 4 sides, 4 into side. Okay, so we have to write 4 start side. Now I have to print like the output should be printed like area of the square is colon 9, perimeter of the square is colon 12. So we have to take the output like this format. So we are writing system dot out dot print ln, that is, first of all we write area of square is, then select, then colon space, then system dot out dot print ln area, then system dot out dot print ln perimeter of the square is colon space system dot out dot print ln perimeter. Now before submitting the code, I have did a mistake here. Have you guessed it? That is a system.out.println prints this value, and it will be next shifted to the next line. Then the print of area, this 9 should be printed in the next line because of print ln method. Okay, let's run first. You can understand the error. So here we see the 9 is printed at the next line of the output because of this ln. If we remove this ln here and here also, then it will be at same line. Let's see the answer. Okay, here we have given enough space. Area of the square over here, the is or should be okay. Here space is there, it seems. Yes, that's all. We got the output, desired output, then we can submit. Yeah, that's it. Let's move on to the next question.
Now let's get into the next question. It is women population. Let's get into it. First of all, I will reset this code because, well, if I explain along with the coding, then only you can understand well. So that I am resetting this first. Then first, as you know, first we have to import java.till.scanner or star. Then we have to write our code here. What is the question? In a term, the percentage of men is for 52 and the rest are women. So here we can understand that remaining 48% is women. The total population T of town is given as input. Okay, write a program to print the total number of women in the town. Okay, so that the input will be the total population of the town. So we have to calculate that 48% from that total population, then we get the women population. So we can write that. First we have to scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. Then first of all they will give us T as a total number of population in town. So int T equal to sc dot next int of function. This T will get the total number of population in the town. Now we have to remove the 48% of the total population, then we can get women population. So that we are taking int w as a woman equal to, we have to write it brackets. What is the percentage formula? Here they given if the total population is 80,000, then you multiply it with 48 divided by 100, then we get the 48% of town, that is women population. So that we are taking T as a total into 48 divided by 100. Okay, now we can print out the output system dot out dot println of w. Okay, this, let's run the code first. This will give the output as, maybe, yeah, we got the correct answer. This is the code for this question, women population. Let's get into the next question. let's get into the next question, that is string repetition for. First of all, let's reset the code. Sorry, reset here. As usual, import java.util.star, taking it. Let's read the question. You are given a string, repeat the same string n times separated by space. Okay, they will give a string like this, messages, and how many times it should repeat. They will have also give that here integer value, so that we have to multiply with that number and print that many times as a output. Okay, so let's take in a, first of all we have to write a scanner class here. Scanner sc equal to new scanner, sorry I forgot the space, scanner system.in. Then after we have to take a string as a data type. For taking in a string value, that is I take s as variable, sc dot next line of for the string. Okay, then they will provide us a how many times the string should repeat, that is an integer value. Int r we will take, r equal to sc dot next int of function for reading the string value. Now we have to repeat this many times, so that I'm printing. So it's very simple, system dot out dot print ln, that is as repeat function will be, the syntax of repeat function is string name dot repeat of how many times it should repeat. Okay, so here what is the string name? Yes, here is this is string should be separated by spaces also we have. So let's take in another string, string string, let's call it as s1 equal to yes plus space. Okay, then it will be print like this message plus space. Now let's repeat the question, s2 dot string name dot repeat of r. So this will give us the required output, desired output. What happened? Okay, here I mistakenly E. Okay, what has happened here? Okay, I wrote s2 here instead of s1. We got the desired output as messages, pop pop pop. So let's get into the next question. Now let's get into the years, weeks and days question. First of all, let's reset this question. Here, let's read the question. Given n number of days as input, write a program to convert n number of days to years, weeks and days. Okay, they will give us a number of days and we should convert it into months, years, weeks, days, etc. Okay, java.util still got stuck. Here to scanner class, scanner is equal to scanner in. First of all, we have to take number of days from the user, so that int day as a variable, sc dot next int of function for reading the input. We can take the years by 1 year is equal to 365 days, so we divide by 365. Int year equal to day divided by 365. Let's check it once. Out dot print ln, that is years. First let's check what is this output gives. Yeah, it is giving perfectly alright. Then we have to write weeks. So in taking int weeks weeks equal to here we can take a formula like day percentile 365 divided by 7. This formula will give us the weeks, number of weeks of the given input. Okay, first let's check the value first. weeks weeks. Okay, see here also we giving exact answer. Then we have to calculate days as well. Days is equal to, formula is day minus the above equation, like day minus years star 365 and plus weeks weeks into 7. Yeah, now let's copy this, copy, paste. Let's print first of all years, then after weeks, then after days. Let's check it once. It's working absolutely fine. Let's submit the code. Yeah, we got the perfect answer. Here we completed the assignment 1 as well. Let's move on to the next code.